Hey, this is Joe Jarls at Kentucky Yacht Services, and now we're going to look at a 2021 Crest LX200L layout. The boat is black and silver. It's equipped with a CPT performance package, fully skinned underneath, full length center tube. Again, all the rails on the Crest, all the fencing, all the rails, all powder coated. Crest uses aluminum frame seats. This boat's equipped with a midship entertainment table. It flips up here next to the side gate. 10-foot bimini top. C-Star tilt steering, hydraulic steering, master switch on the dash. Captain's cool cup here at the helm. Large sun pad. Plenty of storage on this boat. Has a Junior Beast tow bar, stainless steel boarding ladder, gear storage. This boat is priced here at Kentucky Yacht for $38,197.